Every project has a story. This one is just beginning. This S197 Mustang has seen better days. But beneath the dust and peeling stripes beats the heart of a true track beast. Every great build starts with a dream. But reality always bites back. To work. To see past the dirt and build something fast. Two forgotten icons, but only one can be saved. On the left, a raw, wide-body S197 project. Which ultimate barn find gets your vote?
Striping is off. Now we see what we're really dealing with. Real painted red lines are going right down the center. Stripe. Let's see what's under all this dirt. Wow, the frame rails are completely solid.
Beneath years of grease and grime lies the true soul. Solid. This tired old V6 just isn't gonna cut it. To build something legendary, you have to strip away the past. Precision prep is where the real magic begins. But finding the right pieces is where the real story starts. This isn't just about restoring a car, it's about bringing back a beast.
Here it is, the Coyote 5.0. Intake, brackets, and all the wiring. She's finally ready for it. This is gonna be epic. Look at all this empty space. It won't be empty for long. Here Steady, bring it down. Watch the mounts on this side.
From rust to real, this is the ultimate Shelby GT500 build. Subscribe for more.